Meaning of exceptional.
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 Exceptional. The word exceptional describes something or someone that is unusually good or extraordinary in some way. It implies that the thing or person being described stands out from the norm. An exceptional performance might be one that exceeds expectations or achieves something particularly impressive. An exceptional athlete might have abilities that far surpass those of their peers. Generally, when something is described as exceptional, it suggests a level of excellence that is not commonly found or easily replicated. In summary, exceptional means truly remarkable and distinguished.